Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving straight into a massive headache in the finance sector, the absolute avalanche of raw data. As businesses scale up, making sense of all those numbers becomes, well, a pretty monumental task. But that's exactly where business intelligence, or BI, comes in. It's completely transforming that challenge into a serious strategic advantage. Let's get right into it. When you integrate BI into the banking, financial services, and insurance industry, the results are kind of wild. Establishments are actively boosting their returns, jacking up profits, and totally revamping the customer experience. Think of BI as the central nervous system for your data. It lets teams instantly spot weak points and manage their performance with literally unprecedented clarity. Okay, to keep us totally on track today, we're going to hit exactly 3 core pillars where BI elevates finance: monitoring financial performance, budgeting and forecasting, and financial reporting. Let's jump right into pillar number 1, monitoring financial performance, or as I like to think of it, tracking what actually matters. So the big question is, what exactly is BI measuring? Well, instead of waiting around for some quarterly review, business intelligence systems are actively tracking critical metrics in real time. By constantly crunching your return on investment and other massive financial KPIs, things like operating cash flow or gross profit margin, BI lets businesses pivot on a dime and improve their financial outcomes. It basically takes all the guesswork right out of the equation. Moving right along to pillar 2, budgeting and forecasting. This is all about planning the future. Now, think of BI as the ultimate bridge between analyzing past trends and actually allocating future resources. It's not magic, it doesn't use a crystal ball. Instead, it's constantly looking at historical data to see exactly how a business performed in the past. And then it uses those hard facts to generate incredibly accurate financial forecasts and budgets. This gives businesses the power to plan and spend their resources with total, absolute confidence. And finally, our third pillar, financial reporting. This is where we transform raw data into actionable insights. Look, finance teams are dealing with just an overwhelming volume of data every single day, right? But instead of wasting countless hours manually staring at spreadsheets, BI tools swoop in to automate the whole shebang. They instantly generate those detailed reports that leadership relies on, specifically your balance sheets, your profit and loss statements, and your cash flow reports. By taking over all that tedious manual labor and honestly drastically cutting down on human error, BI frees up your finance team to focus on what really matters: high-level strategy. As we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with a question to chew on. We've talked about monitoring performance, forecasting the future, and automating those massive reports. If your competitors are out there replacing gut-feeling intuition with hard, real-time data across all 3 of those pillars, how can integrating real-time, data-driven BI insights streamline your own organization's financial efficiency and profitability? It's absolutely a question every finance professional needs to answer. Thanks so much for joining me.